What's going on, guys? So, quick disclaimer. If the perfect male physique intimidates you in any way, it's probably best you just click off this video now, because I tend to intimidate a lot of people with my massive triceps, biceps, and pecs. So, yeah. Whew. All joking aside, I was fishing Barton, as usual, per usual. And I finally got one of them big frog eaters to commit to it and actually get through the scum and get the fucking frog. And I actually barely had this fish hooked. This video, I missed several big ones that just could not get the damn frog, man. They just could not get through the cheese and get the hooks. And every time I set the hook, I just get a pile of freaking grass on my frog. But that's the way it goes, man. This 6-pounder found a way to freaking break through and get the hooks. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. I think next week I will be I'll be exploring some new water in Gonzales. The Guadalupe and the San Marcos run through a section of the Gonzales, and I actually got on Google Maps, did a little bit of scouting. Looks like there's several spots you can put in, and when you click on that roadside view, you can see the river, and it's a lot of overhanging trees and shade, and it just looks fucking mint. So be on the lookout for that one. Hopefully we get on them, but we are exploring it, so we don't know what to expect, but there's got to be some big bass lurking around there somewhere. And the 6-pounder I caught was on a new color in the Booyah Pad Crasher. I think it's called pumpkin seed, but it's basically a bright orange belly, which I've always been wanting in a fucking frog. It's really hard to get a bright orange belly in a frog. Spro makes one, but the top of the Spro is red, and it's just kind of weird to me. I don't know. But yeah, they have several new colors in the Booyah Pad Crashers, which if you told me I could only have one frog to use for the rest of my life, it would probably be a Booyah, because overall they've been the most consistent brand of frogs I've used. I've had way more good Booyahs than any other frog brand, I think, because Spro, it's like sometimes you'll just get a fucking shitty one. It just is what it is, man. But maybe them being lighter weight allows them to be a little more buoyant. Yeah, anyways, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Big one. Boom, baby. First one of the morning, y'all. And it's a 4-pounder on the Booyah Pad Crasher. See if I can get her in some light. Not really. That's a good high 3 or 4-pounder, y'all. Hell yeah. Great way to start it off. That's okay. That's okay. Dude, that was a nice one, I think. Let me get the 10 pounds of weeds off of this shit.
If I like hadn't gone fishing, you know, I would just be waiting around.
Oh, dude, big. Oh my gosh. I didn't even get a chance to like move it. It's just like there's too much scum in between me and the fucking fish. What the? How is she not eating it? It's a fucking big one. That's a really big fish, dude. Just grab your line and pull her in. Oh my goodness, if you lose that fucking fish. Reel a little bit. How big is that one?
Oh yeah.
Looks like
Wow.
looks like a 5-pounder to me.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, maybe not. She's close, I bet.
Oh, she's stuck. She was stuck, dude. Oh, yeah. She's thick.
I bet she's like 413.
Stop casting.
Watch that one hit it. Alright, I'm getting on a little bit of a punch bite here, y'all. Oh my gosh. Monster. Boom, baby. Hell yeah, that's a beauty right there, y'all. Finally. Beautiful fish. I don't think she's quite 5 pounds. She's probably like a little over 4 or something like that. Yeah. 314, almost 4 pounds. Beauty. Monster, oh my god. It's a huge one. Huge. Oh my god. Woo. Wow. That's a fucking giant. Oh my god. Woo. It's a freaking big one right there. Do you watch her eat it? Do you see her eat it? Throwing a little topwater frog on top of the scum. Oh yeah. That's a fucking brute. Oh my god. Look at the size of that one. Well guys, that one weighed 6 pounds 1 ounce. Man, I was throwing the frog over in that open pocket right there, and I had several big ones following it, so I moved a little bit further down and threw it on top of these scum patches over here, and she came right up through that shit and smoked it. I've missed some other really big ones too on top of the scum. It's just so hard for them to get it through the grass, but that one fucking got it, baby. That's what I'm talking about. That was the biggest fish I've caught in a minute right there. Let's get after it. Good. Look at that. Another big one. Hell yeah, I'm getting on them, y'all. Holy moly. That's a 3-pounder. We're getting on them, y'all. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed that one. I did miss some fish, and I did like a little underwater release on that 6-pounder, and my GoPro just keeps fucking up on me. Like, it's so fucking hot out there. It just keeps like dropping clips, or the clip will show up, but there's no picture for it. So it's like, it's recording, but it's not really recording. Yeah. I didn't just like murder him this trip, but I did catch that first one in the morning was like a high 3-pounder, and then I caught that 314, and then a 6, and then like another 3. So it ended up being a pretty big bag overall. Really solid trip. Really happy I got that one. I was not expecting to stick a 6-pounder in the very, like where the grass ends, right next to those staircases like that, with all the people that have been going through there. I wasn't expecting it, but I think those bass are just so conditioned to having people around them, it really doesn't bother them. So yeah, like I said, I will be exploring Gonzales, so be on the lookout for that video. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay froggy. Later.